So, found this stainless steel canna, even with a lid. So it's a stainless rostfritt stål Sweden, 1.5 liter, and the brand is Swemab, I think. So let's see if we can get some better finish on this. Seems sturdy and good quality. So might be a perfect fit for the Trangia. We even got some soldering up ahead. So probably handmade. Get grease all over me when touching this, and you see the bottom is really black. It's been under a fire or something. Well, let's see what we can do. Compare with this IKEA. Hardly weighs anything. Thin. So let's see if we can start by cleaning it in the sink. So it's getting better. Swemab, 1.5 liter. You sort of can rub, but let's make this faster. Let's use some tvålull. First, let it be in hot water for a while, and let's see what that makes. Let it sit for a while, an hour maybe. This is also what I got. Might try this, but let's start hitting it with the steel wool. Makes all the difference. So it's getting better, but I've started using some sandpaper. I think this is 120, and since I don't know what this has been used for before, I want to make it really clean inside. You can see there are some stains and so on, and this one I sort of scratched. But I just sandpaper it down, and then I'll go with the steel wool again. So this makes the trick, but you get some small scratches. But this becomes pretty nice. Do the same on the inside. This is without the flash. Only some small. So this is the final result. Only some dots. It was pretty black down here. Now you only see some dots. The other ones is water. So at least much better. Some scratches from the sandpaper, but this is a sturdy model. It's really heavy compared to the IKEA one. And yeah, this is the lid, still wet. Have to find some wood to put here, little knob, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm comparing this one to the IKEA one. This is much more sturdy, so this will take much more heat when you have a campfire or something. The IKEA one felt really light and cheap, so this is, in my opinion, much better. Swemab, stainless steel, Sweden, 1.5 liter. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you give a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, give me some feedback. What you want next in the channel. Bye bye. This is pretty neat. Coffee filter.